So before any trip, always important to check the lifeblood of the cooling system. She needs a little bit of a top up. We'll do that before we leave.
Hey guys, welcome to a very special episode of Brian's Coffee Morning. So Brian, who is the owner of modified Aircooled, he fixes engines and he hosts a coffee morning once a month. So that's where we are today, and a lot of people gather in their cars and it's really cool. There's like tea and coffee and cake. I think we're going to be here a few hours. Waiting for just look over your shoulder. I'll be waiting for, and I'll be your shelter. I'll be waiting for. I'll be waiting for. Yeah, I'll be waiting for. If you've ever wondered how an engine builder evolves, Brian is a really good case. So he started out in this tiny garage, if you like, sharing half the space with a friend, really cramped, really only space for one engine at a time. Then he had the opportunity to move to the opposite garage on his own, a little bit more space, managing to get a few engines in there, starting to evolve, starting to really get into this engine building lark. And more recently, the opportunity has arisen to go into a much larger space around the corner, still in farm outbuildings, but much more purpose-built. It's got a massive great space, loads of space to evolve, to spread out, and to start building more engines.
look at that. Perfect. Oh, didn't give me a new t-shirt though, did I? Oh yeah. Oh, what's that? I think there's two there. You got a speedo in the back.
No, I got a speed.
Slow down!
Yeah.
Going too fast!